Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westminster local and long-distance movers near me. Regarding local moves, our local TM movers have you covered with our efficient and reliable services. Our experienced team will arrive at your location fully equipped and ready to handle every aspect of your move. We'll carefully pack your belongings using high-quality materials to ensure their safety during transportation. During your local move, we'll efficiently load your items onto our spacious trucks, ensuring they are secure and protected. Once we arrive at your new address, we'll unload and place your belongings exactly where you want them. We're happy to assist with furniture assembly and other tasks to help you seamlessly settle into your new home. With long-distance moves, we understand the unique challenges and requirements that come into play. Our team plans and coordinates every detail, from packing to transportation, to ensure a smooth journey to your new destination. We carefully pack your items using high-quality materials, taking extra care to protect them during the long haul. We create a customized moving plan, ensuring efficient coordination and timely delivery. Regarding the safety of your belongings, we prioritize their well-being throughout the entire long-distance move. Our diligent team employs secure packing techniques and uses reliable trucks with advanced safety features. We also provide best pricing options tailored to your budget without compromising our service quality. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westminster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.